Good morning, everyone. If you're hearing noises, not in your head, but in your smartphone, in your head you have to call the doctor or visit the doctor, but in your smartphone, I can okay, let's do it. Can you hear it? This is S21. S21 Ultra. Yeah, noises. Don't worry, this is the optical image stabilization in your lens. It means your lens is hovering in the middle, and when you move your smartphone like that, it will bounce on walls. Let me show you this in close-up. Why does that? To get your image smooth, not shaky at all. It's normal. Your smartphone is perfectly fine. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. And remember, if you're hearing voices in your head, call doctor.